My name is Abhisarika. I'm from Kolkata, the city of joy, but I'm in Pune since 7 years. I have been working here in IT. So, I think since my childhood, I was really interested into makeup, but I never knew this that I could do it. Until I, came into this Instagram world, I saw so many makeup artists who used to post about their work, and I think back in 2018 I was just swiping around my Instagram feed and I saw a post from Tejaswini ma'am, and I was so impressed by her work. That very moment I knew that I have to be like her. Like when I saw her, I imagined myself doing something exactly what she is doing right now. And since then I have been following her, and I used to keep a track of all her work. I used to like and just comment on her post in a hope that someday she will reply, and that was a huge thing for me that ma'am replied to my comment or post. And I have been desperately waiting for her professional course. So unfortunately I couldn't do it last year, so I got to know about her self makeup course and I was up for it. The moment I saw her post, I called her and I said that ma'am, I want to do this course, and I enrolled. It was a 1-day course, and trust me, like whatever she taught us in this 15 days, I think at least 30 or 40% she taught us on the 1-day course of self makeup. So that is a huge thing. Like if whoever is listening to me right now, they should understand that ma'am never compromises with her techniques. She makes sure that whoever is a student, she goes out with the best techniques and the best procedures, and the person goes out from a studio with more confidence than she entered there. Talking about the course content, I think she covered everything from basic to advanced level. Personally, being from Bengal, I was just hoping that she could teach me how to do that Bengali design which we do over the forehead. But surely I'll contact her later and ask her to tell me about that. Apart from that, I think everything was superb. There was no drawback in anything, and I am definitely a more confident person now walking out from the studio. My biggest fear when I came here was like, will I be able to act as professional as other makeup artists, or will my techniques be as smooth and precise as other makeup artists? And I can definitely say that in those past 15 days, I think my techniques and confidence have gone to a next level. I think the two professional shoot that we did was really motivating for me, because when I saw my work on camera, I felt like, did I really do this? Like I was so amazed looking at that. I couldn't believe that it was done by me, and the credit goes to ma'am because it was she who taught us how to do it. The best thing I like about ma'am is that she is a really genuine person, and unlike other makeup artists, she doesn't hide anything. Like whatever she is doing on her bride, she teaches us. So that is the best thing about her. I would definitely recommend this course to every newcomer who is aspiring to be a makeup artist, because personally, like just like ma'am, I'm also from engineering background. I'm having a decent job and I'm earning quite a decent amount of money, but it is all about your passion. Like sometimes you think like passion is more important than your money, and I think this course actually helps you convert your passion into your career. There is only one thing I didn't like about this course, is that it ended too soon. I was so accustomed about this course, like I got so used to it for the last 15 days, and I'm actually thinking what I'll do from Monday.